Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rustic ratatouille in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, if you want to make a food in Heartopia, you need to unlock the cooking hobby. And once you unlock the cooking hobby, you will obtain a stove. Then you're going to use the stove to cook something. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to make rustic ratatouille. I'm going to use the stove, and this is the rustic ratatouille recipe. Okay, you will need tomatoes and potatoes, then a lettuce. Okay, and then you just need to click on start cooking. Make sure that you already have the ingredients. And guys, you can unlock this recipe after you reach level 3 in cooking hobby. Then you can buy this recipe from Massimo. And I'm going to click on start cooking. Then don't forget to adjust the heat so you will avoid the bizarre food. Okay, keep adjusting the heat level. And this food guys will give you 60 energy if I'm not mistaken. Let's check after this. Okay, it's almost done. Ooh, one more time. Adjusting the heat level. Okay. Oops, my backpack is full. Wait. Okay, this is the rustic ratatouille. Oh, it gives me 72 energy, but I think it depends on the stars we get. And okay guys, that's how we can cook rustic ratatouille in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!